Man.
Yes. Okay, eto na MC, di ba? So syempre, dahil napaka-special nito ha, nais po namin tawagin ang mga sumusunod. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Jeffrey Tarayaw, our President, Juan Meralco Foundation.
Ma'am Esther Santos, our President of PLDT Smart Foundation.
And of course, Ms. Melody Del Rosario, President, Metro Pacific Investments Foundation.
Mr. At syempre, hello po. Inaanyayahan din po natin, of course, from Full Feels, si Emilio Baha. Ayan. Yan. And of course, siguro naman may mga nakarinig na siguro sa inyo ng Full Feels, di ba? Narinig niyo na yung Full Feels. Para mas maikwento sa inyo ang layunin ng grupo na ito, makinig po tayo sa founder ng Full Feels, walang iba kundi si Emilio Baha. Palakpakan everyone.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat! Thank you PLDT Tinbo for inviting me to join you in your event. Ako po si Emilio Baha, founder ng Full Feels. Ang Full Feels ay isang NGO na tumutulong sa ating mga kababayan sa Hong Kong para makakuha ng libreng high school diploma or college degree. Gusto nyo ba yan? To those of you who are interested in going back to school, whether that be finishing high school or going to college, please send us a message on our Instagram or Facebook at Full Feels. You may also check out our website at www.fullfeels.org and you can send us a message there as well. Full Feels has officially partnered with AMA University, the Philippines' first and largest online education provider to provide your scholarships. We are also currently formalizing partnerships with other universities, such as the Philippine Women's University and the University of the Philippines. I would like to thank the MVP group of companies, the PLDT Smart Foundation, the Juan Meralco Foundation, and the Metro Pacific Investments Foundation for sponsoring our scholars for 1 year. This will surely go a long way in helping our scholars. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan na.
Ayan, come on.
Party tayo. Put your hands like this.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah. Ang kasiyahan ay tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman lalo na kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Let's go! Sumunod ka sa akin at na panahon kasabay ng mababagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumunod ka sa akin at na panahon mag-isa na mag-enjoy ka panahon natin ay nag-iba kaya't